Every night at this time, Hiring Hoosiers connects you to jobs, training programs that can pay off for you and your family. And the next generation of law enforcement, they are starting off really early, learning the best practices in the classroom before making it a career.
You guys ready to start it? Yes, ma'am. Get your partners, go to your tables.
Learning how to obtain fingerprints is key in the world of law enforcement.
If you see it done in a police academy, we do it in here. We do building searches, traffic stops.
And in this setting, high school students take a hands-on approach. They analyze the fingerprints by placing them on balloons to determine the pattern.
It's exceedingly important because, honestly, you can only learn so much from a book. You can only, for so long, read. It's when you actually get the hands-on stuff and be able to, like, touch and feel and actually do stuff that you actually start to retain the information a lot more.
The J. Everett Light Career Center caters this program to tap into the interests of those seeking a future in public safety.
That whole aspect of just helping people is, I guess, just rooted in my character.
Students can't apply for a job with a police department until they're 21 years old, but they believe this training will give them an edge.
Being able to show up to that door and do what you're told and do it correctly without complaining or something, it shines through to either future employees or just coworkers.
It's very fundamental to start getting a head start because a lot of things you do as 17, 18-year-olds and going into college can affect your career.
These lines, they could be scars they each have.
A variety of skills and techniques are taught, but the biggest lesson comes on day one and can apply to any profession.
Do the right thing at the right time for the right reason, and you'll enjoy a long career in law enforcement.
That is some good advice there. The J. Everett Light Career Center offers students a wide range of programs catering to multiple career choices. For more information about this program and many others, go to our website, hiringhoosiers.com. Still ahead, why some fear the interview and the job hunting process. Our Hiring Hoosiers career coach on how to handle one of the most sensitive issues in your background. That's our next on the News at 7.
Financing for 60 months on select 2019 Atlas models.
Tonight, some Hiring Hoosiers Insight. Our career coach talks about the background checks in the work world.
Have you made a mistake in your past that affect your ability to pass a background check? Criminal backgrounds do, in fact, create limitations, but it's possible to find a job with a conviction. You may have to develop a new plan or skill set that will not reject your past record. First, you want to look up your record and seek legal counsel about having your record expunged. Next, you may have to identify your skills and create a new skill set or education that will target careers that will not hold your record against you. Next, you want to take advantage of community resources. Organizations like Work One, Higher Reentry, PACE Indy, Indy Helpers, and several other online sites have a wealth of information to help people with criminal backgrounds. Consider going back to school. If you don't have your high school diploma, contact your local adult education program to get signed up for that. Once you're signed up with those programs, you may be eligible for a free certification. You also want to consider post-secondary options such as apprenticeships and college and universities. You always want to keep practicing your professionalism. Create a professional resume, cover letter, good referrals, and practice interviewing and dressing appropriately. Next, you want to start your job search. Network with your friends and family. Seek out those smaller businesses that have less restrictive hiring requirements. Check out the job search websites and consider staffing companies. If the background question comes up, it's best to take responsibility for your conviction, show regret, and give examples of how you have redeemed yourself by your new acquired skills and abilities. Just like any other job search, prepare, practice, be persistent, and prove yourself once on the job.
Great advice from our career coaches. You can see all of their other tips on our website, hiringhoosiers.com.